DJT stock analysis next week, Monday and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. With Trump Media, we're sitting at 23.69 at this exact moment, and just a 0.5% off for the day. I mean, solid. Just for context, all I'm using is the strategy that's previously delivered thousands of correct predictions, and I'm telling you all of this because it is the truth and I've documented everything. So, looking at DJT, I think it's just a pretty unfortunate situation right now. I'm gonna just get rid of this. What I'm pretty much waiting for is I want to see this double break, and only if this double break happens here, only then I'd expect something bullish and and start to look for those upside deliveries. But if we still sit here and the price just keeps going down, this is obviously going to get deleted. Yeah, that's the only situation which I would expect something bullish. What about the bearish side? I mean, it's definitely falling down, but this is something that I will not entertain, purely because I'm not interested in being short here. So I'm just kind of looking for something that can run up. So yeah, I mean, if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, just check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.